got a Charger here that we removed the brake calipers, and we had them powder coated a custom color for the gentleman that owns the car. We've got some images here, the SRT Hellcat clear coated over. So now we are in the process of putting everything back together, new O-rings, hardware. We've got the rears done. So the rear is a Carlisle kit. So I'll bring over here and show you this guy. So spent the morning putting it back together, getting it mounted on the car, and we're gonna eat some lunch, and then we're gonna get the fronts done and get them bled before the day's over. Get this guy happy.
Another successful Hellcat Durango install.